You guys, welcome back to a new video, and today it is the player rating of Liverpool's 2-0 win versus Wolverhampton Wanderers last night. So firstly, I want to say um, a decent performance from us, a big win that we needed to take us into the Man United game, which we know will be a tough game. So let's start off with the player ratings. So first up, Alisson Becker. They don't really have a lot to do in this game. The Wolves set up quite negatively, but I do remember one good save from him, so it's going to be a 6 for Alisson. Next up, Kostas Tsimikas. I don't think he actually hit a Liverpool player with one of the crosses until he got the assist for Mo Salah. So it's a 6 for him because of the assist, but I don't know why Robertson didn't play, but yes, Robertson must play against Man United. Next up, Konate. Whenever he is at the back for us, I think we always play better as a team and we feel more comfortable when him and Van Dijk are. And he was solid tonight, so it's a 7 for Konate. Next up, Arnold versus Palace. He had a terrible game. But I feel last night it was better, but still with the crosses and stuff, the two fullbacks rarely hit one of our players from them, and the way that we play, it is crucial to do that. So now, next up, Van Dijk. I think versus Real Madrid, Crystal Palace, and Wolves, he has been brilliant, and tonight he looks like his old self. So an 8 for Virgil, and very close to the man of the match, but somebody else was better. Next up, Harvey Elliott. Obviously he had 3 chances. He should have scored that header, which Nunes played the ball in, and then he missed the header. It was a free header, but it's a 6 for Elliott. Could have been a 5, but 5.5 probably. He didn't do a lot for us, so yes. Next up, Fabinho. Decent, but he seems to get booked every game, and his decision making in the game was sometimes poor. Like that time when he won it, and then the pass to Nunes was poor. So it's a 5 for him, average, but because I won't put him above average tonight, well, last night. Now Stefan Bajicic. I know after the Real Madrid game, a lot of Liverpool fans weren't happy with him, and then Jurgen Klopp them versus Palace, but he showed tonight that he deserves his place in the team. He gave the ball away a few times, but apart from that, it's a 6 for him. He was brilliant again for us, and it just shows when we have that energy in the midfield what we can do. So now Darwin Nunes. Once again, he was brilliant, and even he might not score some games, it's what he does for the team. He was playing at left back for most of the match. His running, his tracking was beautiful, work rate beautiful, so it's a 7 for Darwin. Now Diego Jota. I mean, he was very, very good last night, and he was outstanding. I mean, that goal that got disallowed, I think it was right to be disallowed because he did kick him, but that from was beautiful. Then he got the assist for Van Dijk's, which was brilliant, and So 8 for Jota, and I'm going to give him the Man of the Match award. So yes, and now last up is Mo Salah. I mean, he got his goal again, and I saw something where some pundit said or something. Even on a bad form, Mo Salah will get 20 goals a season. And yep, I know recently times have been tough, but in this game, I think he was decent, and he'll get a 7 from me. So there we go, guys. There are my player ratings. Tell me yours in the comments, but make sure to like and subscribe, and peace.